Let's do it, Corey Proctor on the Hitman. Set up, set up. Come on, ding dong, get right there. Let's get it. Cowboys out there, paying off. Tough luck, Terminator wins that battle. That's going to be 8-no score. But for a consolation, a rider man, he won $1,000 here last night. He's supported this weekend. And the Cowboy Sales going to ding dong in Springtown, Texas. And this next young man is one of the past season champions at the Stock Yards Championship Rodeo. You know, he is capable of getting it done, but you know, the bull always has something that kind of factor into that. As your rodeo picked up in, bringing upward. Catch Weaver do a fantastic job for us as they do every Australian right here. Helper, helper, we got that one. Earl 2, right there. Third turn coming up for you. Give her a round of applause, nothing else. I'll wait for them to see what he's doing right here. Helper, helper. Plus 5. Stay with her, still working. Whoops. Not gonna work. Sounds like young girl player ball. Kinsley Mooney, Holly Jackson, Jamie Johnson, and Hudson. All right, we can get around barrel 1. We're around barrel 2. No, plus 5. Third turn. We're done. Sure he has got plus 5 second penalty. Got to give one the bull right in tonight. Nice turn right there. Barrel 1 got a Lisa. Barrel 2 looking good. You got to help her right here. Third barrel, final turn. Got it right there. Come on, let's do it to it. Barrel 2. You tip. Third turn for in. Yes. Hold on. Let's go work. Converters. Whoops, plus 5, stay with her, still working, barrel 2 is up, third turn, right there, alleyway, off the races, here we go, good cowgirl sweeps around barrel 1, sweeps around barrel 2, right here, getting got it, third turn, all right, let's switch gears. Let's go to Marathon Southport and all. Again, no mark out, no spur out. We'll just be there at the 8-second buzzer. You can ride with your free hand free, or you can hang on, whichever the case may be. Veteran cowboy Thomas Mowry, Desperado wrong. Right here. Come on, make the move. Desperado says, I don't think so. Not tonight. Good wrong. The Rodeo Company, Sinclair Claw Reed. Play that cowboy on, 2 up, 2 down. All right, our next cowboy, Cater Kennedy, Cross, Texas. Now, we haven't seen a whole lot of Cater this summer, but this cowboy can ride with the best of them. He won this event last Saturday night. He's going to try to double up tonight, win again.